So I'm going to be, love these shots. This right here has been painted. It is a wine rack. I know you can't see the whole thing because my camera situation, but it came with clear glass shelves, and I want to make them into mirrored glass shelves. So I'm going to use Rustoleum mirror effect. This is 6 ounces with a silvery mirror look. And first you have to clean the mirrors, and they do have some sticker residue on it from whoever owned it before. So you have to really clean them good. And then you're going to paint the opposite side of the shelf because it's glass, so you would paint this side if you want this side to be the mirror. This is the part that would sit upright. And there's 2 different shelves, 2 different sizes. So I was trying to clean them and get these stickers off, but unfortunately my nails are shot from pulling stickers off things. And so I'm using this little tool, and again, you'll see in my other videos, I love this little tool. It's called a Smitty or Schmitty. Again, I've already asked people to tell me what it's called, but still don't know. So I am just going to pull with this. I don't know if you can see, whoever used it before had some paint left over on the shelves, so I'm getting that off, and there's another sticker. Someone went sticker crazy on this glass shelving for this bar. So I'm just going to do that real quick. There's some rust, I think, and some more residue. So I'm using the scraper. That's the first piece of glass. The other piece of glass is even bigger, and the width is bigger. So, and it does say in a sticker over here, it says tempered glass. There's a sticker. So I'm going to take that sticker off with this tool. Be careful because this tool is basically a razor blade with a handle. There. And this is the tool you can get, you know, the Dollar Tree for $1 or Home Depot, Lowe's, any of your hardware store. I think even when Dixie had them at some point. Try to scrape some of this off. One of the things I thought about with the mirror effect, and I've seen some discussion about it on other blogs, is to spray a little bit of water before you spray the mirror effect, and that will make it, it says to completely be dry, but if you spray a little bit of water and leave a couple of droplets of water, it'll make the mirror look antique or older. And so I don't know if I want to try that on my first attempt, because I kind of want to see how the product works like it should, and not how I'm gonna make it, you know, react differently. So here I am. Make sure you get stuff off, of course, both sides, because even though you're only spray painting one side, it's going to show on the other side. Alright, so now I'm going to use, make sure I make it vinegar and water and really clean these off, and then I will go to painting. So bear with me, and we'll update you on this product and see if we like it. Per the instructions, we've been shaking this Rustoleum mirror effect for about a minute. No, I'll be a little bit more than a minute. And now we're going to spray this glass. I know this is a hard way to see it, and the angle's not great, but I'm going to do with what we have. Let's see if I can get the cap off. That would be helpful. Huh? Seriously, it's on there fiercely. Okay. And it says to spray it in a light coat on the opposite side of the side that's going to be the mirror top. Alright, let's see what happens. I don't know if you can see that. It smells like fingernail polish. Yes, you should wear a mask when you're doing this. I'm not, because I'm filming. This is a big no-no. Everybody else, wear a mask. Wow. It looks really cool. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can see this. Alright, first coat. It's so weird when you use Dixie Belle because Dixie Belle chalk paint does not have odor of VOC, so when you use spray paint for anything, you forgot how horrid that smell can be and gives you a headache. Okay, it says let dry approximately 1 minute in between coats and to do between 1 and 5 thin coats. I am going to see if I can grab this. Sorry, you guys. Turn that around. Let me see if you can see it. Maybe not. Nah, I think the angle is better over there. It's as good as it's gonna get, huh? Put your back over there. Take a picture. Oh, I see what they're saying. And as it dries, it does give it. It's like it's a weird. It goes from really. Hold on. Can you see that? I'm gonna do this. As it dries, you can tell the parts that dry because it looks like a mirror. It really does. Instantly. Alright, let's see. This thing will be better. So hard to see, I know. Sorry guys, I'm gonna try it. And it's almost dry. Here, this one's still drying because we did that one second. So far, so good. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit longer, and it says to shake, continuously shake. So right now, if I were to stop, you can still see through it, but it has like a mirror-like effect. You can still see through it though. So I guess as you do more coats, it's gonna get a deeper mirror effect. So let me let a few more minutes, let this dry, and then we'll just do the process again. Really cool looking. Different like that. It kind of grabs onto the mirror, the glass, and I wish you could see that. I can't get the glare so you can see the angle of how it's going from one process to another. I know it's really hard to see. There should be a better way to do this. It's called professional photographers, but videographers. That I am not. Alright. So, just this spot here is wet. Oops. Get on there, please. And a couple other little spots. So I'm going to wait just another little bit. There are some scratches in the glass. I knew that going in, that the glass is scratched up, and it's warned of that, but honestly, I don't care. It's old. I want it to look old and look good, which it is, so I'm okay with that. Still got this big splotch here and a couple splotches over there. Let's see if I can hold this. No. Can you see that yet? Let's see if I can compare to the other one. Alright. Do this one. One thing it did not tell me is how many mirrors will it do. By the way, can you see that? That's my finger from the overflow. Usually I wear gloves and a mask. So if you're doing this at home, wear gloves and a mask. Don't do as I'm doing. I'm just showing you. Okay, coat number 2 also seems to be already drying a bit. Let's see if I can get this in. It's hard to see, I know. I don't want to drop the phone. Let's see. Did I do it? Okay, I don't know. See how parts of it are drying and parts of it are still wet? Ooh, fingernail polish smell. That's all I smell right now. You girls know what that's about, and some of you boys. I'm gonna let it dry. It says like up to a minute between, and it is now a little bit less see-through, and I'm starting to see a reflection of the sky above us. So far it's doing what it said it would do. This, I got mine at Home Depot in Tallahassee, Florida, I believe this was $8 and either 96 cents or 97 cents. It was right at $9. So, and there's the cap in case you want to see what it looks like. I'm sure you can maybe find it other places at varying prices, but just letting you know what I paid. And again, I don't know how many it will do, how many panes of glass it'll do, but right now we're just going to do these two that are just shelves. One's a wider shelf, one's a little bit smaller because the wine rack is varying in height. These shelves and the width. It is still doing that thing where the parts that are dry are instantly a mirror now, and the parts that are still wet just looks like someone sprayed. I don't know. Again, I don't know what's picking up until I watch this later. But I know I can see the reflection of the camera now, so it's kind of neat. Woo! Definitely wear a mask. Wait just a little bit longer. You might even, I don't know if a fan being on it would be a good thing or just to let it naturally dry, because it's drying fairly quick. And I will say, again, places that are scratched in the glass are showing still scratched, and it's looking a little mottled over here because I didn't clean it. I mean, I cleaned it, but I didn't care if it wasn't perfect, because this, I wanted to look vintage and old. I don't want it to look brand new mirror. I want it to look like old mirror. And so far, I am getting the effect I want. I'm really happy so far. So let's see what happens as it's still drying. And again, you can see because the part that's still wet in here is not reflecting, but the other part is already reflecting mirror style. Let's see what happens next. I did stay away from the edges a little bit because I want it to look worn off a bit. I did not, I mean, I did get it on the edges, but I'm just lightly going over. But I'm kind of, when you paint, you should really go over the project so you get a full sweep. I'm kind of going short in between because I kind of want it to look old and worn off a little bit. Alright. Again, it said to shake in between coats. It's funny, I'm like the silver man here. I can see the sky. It's reflecting already. Honestly, I think you could even stop. I think it almost works as a mirror already after 2 coats, and it did say 1 to 5 coats. I think I'm going to try one more. Let's see how much more we get from another coat. Okay, coat number 3, already drying. Right here, I don't know if you can see the glare. Alright, this is after coat number 4, and you can see as it's drying, see how it's doing that? So it's foggy, and as it's drying you get clear spots, like over there where you get the reflection. So I'll sit here for just a second and you can watch it. And it starts to dry. Slowly but surely. Less and less parts are foggy and more reflective as it's drying. I'm going to go ahead, since trying this new product, as it says 1 to 5 coats, I'm going to do one more coat after this to see where we're at. And as you can see, if I lean back, you can see a reflection of the grill in the sky already. And this one's drying too, this shelf. There. Again, it is kind of a breezy day, as you can see. The elephant ears are moving in the wind. And it's drying very, very quick, just like I said, about a minute in between each coat. So alright, I'm going to stop here and add another coat as soon as all the parts get clear again. Alright, this is after the 5th coat or layer. And as you can see, again, it is drying. I just finished. Part of it's doing this. I will say that this is 6 ounces and it's almost all gone. So, and that's just 2 shelves. And this is right at $9. So keep that in mind. These shelves are probably, what, 3 feet across, maybe a little bit under 3 feet. And a foot wide on one, the other one just shy of a foot wide. So I don't know the exact measurements. There it goes drying again. Dries very quick, just like it said it would. And remember, this is the back side of these panes of glass. The mirror effect is more so on the other side. And look at my fingers. I have a silver finger. I could be the Tin Man. Anyways, it is drying. Wear a mask, you guys. And wear gloves on this one finger. Again, you see it drying. We're at right at a minute, so it's almost completely dry. It does say dry to the touch within 5 minutes, so it does say also you can use a clear matte sealer to go over it, or you can leave it be. And I haven't decided which one I'm going to do, because I do have clear matte sealer. And I may just try to do that. 1 coat of clear spray. Basically clear spray paint. Just make sure it's matte, meaning not shiny. Not gloss, not semi-gloss, but matte, M-A-T-T-E. There you go. You see it, and of course, I can't stand it. I'm one of those people who can't wait. It is. It's a mirror. It's a mirror. This is the other side. See? You can see me. Hi! So, you can see it's a little foggy still, the places that are drying. This is the side that's the actual going to be the mirror, the top of the shelf. Very cool. So far, liking this product and would suggest using it. All right, we'll have some after pictures soon.